Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Xerox Phaser 3020 printer Wi-Fi or USB driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds, center it. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I'm going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type Xerox Phaser 3020 and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the xerox.com or the support.xerox.com. Both are same. It is an official website of our Xerox printer. I go to here, download driver and download Phaser 3020 support.xerox.com official website. Both are official website. You can open first link also. Okay, in this support website, here we find our product name or the printer name Phaser 3020. Here we find the Windows. If we not select your operating system right and it is not right, then click it here and scroll down and go to the Windows 10 32-bit, then go to the Windows 10 plain Windows 10, and if Windows 10 is 64-bit, then go to the Windows 10 with x64. I go with the Windows 10 x64. My machine is 64-bit. In a category, select drivers. We want drivers, so I select drivers. In a language, select any language that you want. I select English Global. You can select any language that you want and click on the apply filter. After that, this page goes to the refresh. After that, scroll down and here we find agree to the terms and conditions. Select this. Here we find Phaser 3020 printer Windows printer driver installer package. Okay, select that and click on the download. Go to this link, this drivers link, and click on the download. It start downloading drivers on our PC or laptop at the top, and it's take 1 or 2 minutes. So be patient and wait for 1 or 2 minutes to properly download these drivers. Okay, after that, after download is complete, we go to our next step. Our download is complete. Go to the downloads, click on the show in a folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our printer driver and we are going to install this printer driver. Double click on it or right click on it and click on run as administrator. Both are same. Wait for a few seconds. First is ask for the permission. Give permission. Click on the yes. Wait for a few seconds. Installation is started. Here we find C tester. It's extracting to our folder C Xerox Phaser. You can want to change it, then change it. I click on the install. Wait for a few seconds and installation package is started. After that, this kind of box is appear on your screen. Here we find install software. Click on the install software. Here we find 3 options: USB connections, wireless connection, and third is without connecting the printer. If you select first option, USB connection, make sure to connect your USB to your printer, from your printer to your PC or laptop, and make sure power on your printer. If you select wireless connection, make sure your router is on and make sure you connect it to the same Wi-Fi network. Printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network and your PC or laptop is connected to the same Wi-Fi network or the router. Okay, then select this and click on the next. I select, and if you want to select connect later, then select this and click on the next. I go with the USB connection, so I click on the USB connection and click on the next button. After that, here we find many options, Xerox Phaser, and if you want to wireless setup at this point, then select this and click on the next. And if you want to change the name or the share this printer in a network, then click on the advanced options, click on the share this printer. I don't, so I go with the OK button and click on the next. Now it is installing our printer. It's take few seconds, so be patient and wait for few seconds to properly install this printer driver on our PC or laptop. It's take 1 or 2 minutes. It's installing first the printer driver, then easy printer manager and many other softwares. And after this, all this complete on your PC or laptop, it goes to the next option. It's take 1 or 2 minutes, so be patient and wait for 1 or 2 minutes to properly install this software on our PC or laptop, and drivers are now installed. Okay, now click on the finish, and if asked for the registration, I click on the exit registration. Okay, after that, if you want to check your printer is properly installed or not, then click on the start and type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, in a printer list, if you find your printer name Xerox Phaser 3020, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.